Nifty 50 Index explained. What is Nifty 50? And top Nifty 50 stocks list 2025. Today, we dive into India's most popular stock market index, the Nifty 50. The Nifty 50 index is the heartbeat of India's financial market, representing the top 50 companies across various sectors. But how does it work? Why is it important? And which companies are part of this elite list? Let's find out in today's video. What is the Nifty 50 index? The Nifty 50 index is India's benchmark stock market index, managed by the National Stock Exchange. It is a well-diversified 50 companies index reflecting overall market conditions. The Nifty 50 index represents about 54% of the free float market capitalization of the stocks listed on NSE as on September 30, 2024. Nifty 50 can be used for a variety of purposes such as benchmarking fund portfolios, launching of index funds, ETFs, and structured products. Sector representation in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 isn't just about one sector. It includes top companies from finance, IT, healthcare, energy, and more. Here's how the sector weightage looks. Sector-wise weightage. Financial services, 34.35%. Information technology, 13.97%. Oil, gas and consumable fuels, 10.43%. Fast-moving consumer goods, 8.01%. Automobile and auto components, 7.61%. Telecommunication, 4.13%. Construction, 3.98%. Healthcare, 3.91%. Metals and mining, 3.27%. Power, 2.75%. Consumer durables, 2.35%. Construction materials, 2.12%. Consumer services, 1.35%. Capital goods, 0.99%. Services, 0.77%. Top companies in Nifty 50. Now, let's take a look at the top companies that make up the Nifty 50 index. These companies have strong fundamentals and influence the Indian economy. Top 10 Nifty 50 companies by weightage. HDFC Bank Limited, 12.24%. ICICI Bank Limited, 8.38%. Reliance Industries Limited, 8.14%. Infosys Limited, 6.42%. Bharti Airtel Limited, 4.13%. Tata Consultancy Services Limited, 3.98%. Larsen & Toubro Limited, 3.98%. ITC Limited, 3.94%. State Bank of India, 2.82%. Axis Bank Limited, 2.66%. Nifty 50 returns over the years. Now, let's analyze the historical performance of the Nifty 50 index. Nifty 50 returns, percent. 1-year return, 8.8%. 5-year CAGR return, 14.21%. Despite short-term fluctuations, Nifty 50 has delivered an average of 11 to 15% annual returns over the long term. This makes it a strong investment option for long-term wealth creation. Investing in Nifty 50. If you want to invest in Nifty 50, you have several options. Direct stocks, buying shares of Nifty 50 companies. Index funds, passive funds that track Nifty 50's performance. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Nifty 50 ETFs and index funds. There are 18 ETFs, 19 index funds, 9 international ETFs and 7 international index funds that tracking the Nifty 50 index. One more milestone from NSE's flagship index. Nifty 50-based ETFs and index funds AUM crossed 2 trillion Indian rupees mark. The Nifty 50 index is the backbone of the Indian stock market, helping investors track market trends and make informed decisions. If you're looking to invest, understanding Nifty 50 is the first step. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Enlighten JEE for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.